Hello and welcome. Do you have all your eggs in one basket? There are many free ways you can earn money online. Today, I will be exploring multiple sources of income, including Amazon KDP, Amazon Merch, other print-on-demand services, affiliate marketing, and more. Let's start. Let's start with Amazon KDP. As many of you already know, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a platform that allows you to publish your ebooks, paperbacks, and hardbacks for free. You can reach millions of readers worldwide and earn royalties. The key to success here is to identify popular genres and create high-quality content. Finding a book niche that sells can make for a very successful passive earning business. Make sure you watch my video titled Unlock Your Writing Potential. Discover the top 5 genres for more information on this topic. Next, we have Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a print-on-demand service where you can create and sell your merchandise. You simply upload your design, choose the type of product you want to sell, like t-shirts, hoodies, or phone cases, and set a price. Amazon takes care of the rest, from manufacturing to shipping and even customer service. It's a passive income source, as once the design is uploaded and the product is listed on Amazon, there's no additional work required on your part. You do have to apply for access to Amazon Merch, and access is not always granted straight away. Now let's talk about other print-on-demand services. There are other print-on-demand services that can help diversify your income. Some of the other print-on-demand services like Gearbubble, Teespring, Redbubble, and Zazzle, and there are many more. Each platform has its pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and your target audience. Most of these services have more products than Amazon Merch, and you don't need to wait for approval to open an account. They provide free accounts, and all you have to do is add your designs to the products that they have on offer. You can share the links to these designs through social media. I included the link to these print-on-demand services below in the description. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where an individual partners with a business to make a commission by referring readers or visitors to a business' particular product or service. But how does it work? Find a product you like or a company you want to promote. This should be a product or service that you believe in and can honestly recommend. Sign up for their affiliate program. Once you have chosen the product or service you want to promote, you'll need to sign up for the company's affiliate program. This will give you a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product. Share the link via your social media platforms, website, or even on YouTube. You can share your affiliate link in many ways. For example, you could create a YouTube video reviewing the product and include your affiliate link in the video description. Earn a commission whenever someone uses your link to make a purchase. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rate can vary depending on the company and the product. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to promote products that are relevant and useful to your audience. Another way you can earn online is through Facebook groups. Create a community around your content. You can create a Facebook group around an interest or theme that you have. This will not only help you engage with your audience on a more personal level, but it also gives you control over the group. Promote your products or services. If you have your own products, services, or courses related to earning online, your Facebook group is a great place to promote them. Make sure these promotions provide value and are not overly salesy. You can also use your Facebook group for affiliate marketing. Share products or services that you genuinely find useful and think your group members will too. Once your group has a substantial number of members, you can collaborate with other businesses for sponsored posts. You can offer paid advertising for daily automatic posts, or you can offer featured posts. If your group is providing high value, you could also consider creating a paid membership for the exclusive content. Remember, the key to a successful Facebook group is to provide value, foster positive engagement, and build a community. Now, these are just some of the passive income ideas available for you to start doing right now. There are many others as well. Like all online earning systems, don't expect them to make you rich overnight. They all require work, commitment, and consistency on your part. They all have the potential to produce multiple sources of income. I hope that I provided you with some great ideas to get you motivated to start earning or improve your prospects online. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.